One. This morning we are going to complete the math activity from the primary packet for May 7th. And it is one of my favorites. It's a patterning activity. So let me show you what you're going to need for this activity. If you come down to May 7th on the outline, you're going to need pages 6 and 7. So it will look like this in your packet. So you need this first patterning sheet. There are a total of 4 patterning sheets. You're going to complete 2 today and then 2 next week on Tuesday. So we need the first one and the second one. So the one that says page 6 on it and the one that says page 7. And for each page, you just need to cut out these squares on the bottom so you can choose the correct square picture to complete the pattern. Okay? So this is the first page. Before you begin, you might want to watch the BrainPop Junior video on patterning just to reconnect that background knowledge on patterning, okay? And make those remind you of those connections that you've had in the past and that prior knowledge that you have about patterning. So if you go here to brainpopjunior.com, remember you can log in either through free access and setting up an account that way, or just by clicking log on, typing in Wayne MCE in the username and POP as the password. Then just go to math and go to math strategies and go to patterns. Then you can play the video and watch Annie and Moby teach you a little bit about patterning. Okay? Great. This would be a great time to pause my video, watch that, and then rejoin when you're ready to complete the activity. Okay, so here we are at the activity. And this first one is a simple A-B pattern. So it's just going to show AB means A, B, A, B, A, B. So if you were doing it with colors, it would be blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, or pink, orange, pink, orange, pink, orange, whatever it is. It's just one item and then the next item, and then repeat the first item and then the second item over and over to extend that pattern. So we have this stamp and a mail truck. Stamp. What's going to come next? We only have 2 items in our pattern. Our choices are stamp, envelope or letter, mail truck, and mailbox. Stamp, mail truck, stamp. What goes here? What do you think would complete or extend this pattern? I'm giving you a few seconds to make your choice. You're right, the mail truck. We have a good ding there. So we have A, B, A, B. Stamp, mail truck, stamp, mail truck. Now, if we were going to extend it further, what would come next? We can't do that because it won't let us, but we could go stamp. It won't stay, but that would be the next thing. Stamp would be the next item. Great work. Okay, so you can go to your next page. If you haven't cut your choices out, be sure to do that. Pause my video, make sure that you have those cut out so that you can easily glue in your choice. All right. So we have the same kind of pattern. It's an A-B pattern. We have, what is this? What are they calling this? Mail. It's mail. Mail, mailbox. Mail. What will come next? Is it stamp, mail, mail truck, or mailbox? Mail, mailbox. Mail. What's next? What do you think we could put in this square to extend the pattern, this A-B pattern? Super. Mailbox. And then if we could go further, what would come after the mailbox? If you want to glue it on your paper, you can do that. Yes, it's mail. The mail will come next. Great job. Very, very good. That is well done. So, not tomorrow, Tuesday, we're going to do a different kind of pattern. We're going to not do A-B, but you can see there's 3 different pictures in our pattern. So it'll make it a little trickier because there are, as you saw in the video, lots of different patterns. We don't just always have an A-B pattern. There's also a patterning game on toytheater.com. I'm not going to lie, it's rather tricky, but you can give it a try. It's a superheroes patterning game in which you have to kind of fill in the pattern to beat, for your superhero to beat the computer superhero. And it's based on colors of blocks. And it can be a little tricky, but you might want to give it a try and challenge yourself. All right. Have a great day of learning. Remember, you can learn in all kinds of ways. Bye.